Day here, but pronounce it for me again. Tempere, that sounds almost Italian.
It does.
So north of Helsinki is where we're talking about right now. In that part of Finland, it is 39 degrees. We're still going to use Fahrenheit because we're accustomed to that. It's 39 degrees. They are dry. It's 11:15, 11:19 in the evening there. Here at home, we are watching some clear sky to the east and some very tempestuous weather to the west. We're in the middle with nice, dry, starting to get windy conditions. There is the potential for some very severe weather just west of the Mississippi, down in parts of Arkansas, Texas, Missouri. But here, we're just going to get a little more windy through the night tonight. Right now, we have sunshine. It's still 74 degrees. We're not setting records today, but it's possible tomorrow. Wind out of the south, 13 miles per hour. Tempstar Heating and Cooling Products current conditions. Newark's at 76, London and Marysville at 72. And for these temperatures to be this warm is really unusual. It's almost 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. By 8 o'clock, we're still in the mid-60s. 9 o'clock, it's 64, and your overnight is only going to drop to 58. So again, that's way, way above average for this time of the year by almost 20 degrees. Here's your Saturday. Wind coming up out of the south. The rain gets into Chicago in time for the game. It slowly makes its way into Ohio, and a strong line comes through here in the evening. Ahead of it is where some of the gustiest winds are likely to be, but it moves out very quickly so that we're going to salvage most of Sunday. As far as the strong winds go, by 8 o'clock in the morning, you notice a lot of Indiana and Illinois dealing with very strong gusty winds. Those begin moving into Ohio during the afternoon, and these are wind gusts that could be 40 plus miles per hour. That's enough to bring down some tree limbs on power lines, maybe move around some of the things that are still outdoors. That'll all begin to weaken as we get into the evening. But very strong wind is on the way, and that's why the National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory from Columbus all the way up to the lake and out into Dayton and Cincinnati and beyond. So wind very strong for the day tomorrow. I'm not even sure this is a small dog advisory tomorrow. This might be a medium-sized dog advisory because it's going to be that windy. Wind gusts of 40 plus miles per hour for tomorrow, and very, very warm. We are likely to be in record-setting territory tomorrow. We'll go for a high near 76, so that is 18 to 20 degrees above average for this time of the year. Going to be a warm, windy day. Tomorrow, 76. The rain shows up in the afternoon and evening. We fall back at 2 o'clock Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon, we're up to 70 degrees. Upper 60s on Monday. And for Election Day Tuesday, we're still in the mid-60s with sunshine.